Will flying cars become reality? My name is Darson, and today, we are diving into one of the most exciting questions of the future: will flying cars become reality? For decades, people have imagined a future where cars do not just drive on roads but fly through the sky, avoiding traffic and making travel faster and more efficient. But how close are we to turning this vision into reality? We are now at a point where this long-time dream is starting to move from science fiction to scientific possibility. Companies like Joby Aviation, Airbus, Boeing, Hyundai, and even Tesla are working on electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, also known as eVTOLs. These futuristic flying machines promise to revolutionize transportation, reducing travel times and making city commutes smoother than ever before. Imagine this. You order a flying taxi from your phone, step into a sleek, fully autonomous vehicle, and lift off from a rooftop. You soar above the busy streets, bypassing gridlock, and land effortlessly at your destination in just minutes. No more wasting hours in traffic, no more congested roads, just a seamless flying experience. This vision may be closer than you think. There are already prototype models successfully completing test flights, and many companies are actively developing urban air mobility solutions. With the right advancements and regulations, flying cars could be in operation much sooner than expected. The technology behind flying cars. The technology powering flying cars is built on artificial intelligence, electric propulsion, and lightweight materials. Unlike helicopters, which rely on a single large rotor, most eVTOL designs use multiple smaller rotors, similar to drones. This setup provides better stability, safety, and energy efficiency. These vehicles are also being designed to be quieter and environmentally friendly, making them ideal for city use. Several companies are making major breakthroughs in this field. Joby Aviation has developed a quiet, all-electric flying taxi that can travel up to 150 miles on a single charge. Archer Aviation has announced plans to launch a commercial air taxi service by 2025. Airbus has introduced Sea Airbus, a design focused on urban transport with multi-passenger capacity. In China, Xpeng Aero is developing a personal flying vehicle that can switch between road and air travel, giving us a glimpse of what personal air transportation could look like. While these developments are promising, there are still major hurdles to overcome before flying cars can become part of daily life. Major challenges before flying cars become mainstream. One of the biggest challenges is air traffic control and regulations. Right now, airspace is strictly controlled for airplanes, helicopters, and drones. If thousands of flying cars start operating in cities, a completely new air traffic management system will be needed. Governments and aviation authorities are working on solutions to ensure safety. One approach involves artificial intelligence-powered air traffic management systems that can monitor and control multiple flying vehicles in real time. Some cities, including Dubai, Singapore, and Los Angeles, are already investing in smart infrastructure, such as vertiports, which are specialized landing zones designed for flying taxis. Another challenge is battery limitations. Flying requires significantly more energy than driving, and current battery technology can only support short flights. Most eVTOLs have a maximum flight time of 30 to 45 minutes before needing to recharge. Scientists and engineers are actively working on advancements in battery technology, such as solid-state batteries and hydrogen fuel cells, which could significantly extend flight times. These improvements could make flying cars more practical for longer trips and more reliable for everyday use. Cost is also a major factor. Initially, flying cars will not be affordable for most people. The estimated cost of a personal flying vehicle is between $200,000 and $1 million. Even flying taxi services will be expensive at first, with short trips likely costing more than traditional transportation. However, as history has shown with electric cars and smartphones, new technology always starts expensive, but gradually becomes more affordable. As production scales up, if flying cars follow a similar path, they could become a common mode of transport in the future. Another important consideration is safety and public trust. Most flying cars are being designed to operate autonomously, meaning they will not have human pilots. While artificial intelligence is becoming more reliable, many people are still hesitant to trust self-driving vehicles, let alone self-flying ones. In order to gain public confidence, manufacturers are implementing multiple safety measures, including emergency landing protocols, collision avoidance systems, and backup parachutes. With these advancements, flying cars could eventually become safer than traditional vehicles. When will we see flying cars in action? Many experts predict that flying taxis could start appearing in select cities by the year 2030. Cities such as Dubai, Los Angeles, and Singapore are already conducting test flights. and major companies have announced plans to launch their first commercial flying taxi services within the next few years. However, full-scale adoption is likely to take much longer. Some estimates suggest that personal flying cars may not become common until at least 2050. In the short term, flying cars will likely serve specialized purposes rather than replacing traditional vehicles. They may be used for business travel, emergency medical services, and VIP transportation. Over time, as costs decrease and infrastructure improves, they could become an alternative for everyday travel. Final thoughts: are flying cars the future or just a fantasy? So, what do you think? Are flying cars going to change the future of transportation? Or will they remain an exclusive luxury? If given the chance, would you trust an autonomous flying vehicle to take you to your destination? And how soon do you think they will be affordable for the general public? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video exciting, hit that like button to support the channel and help more people discover this content. And if you love futuristic technology, make sure to subscribe to Technomate and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on the next big innovation. Share this video with your friends who love technology, and let's build a community of future thinkers together. Your support means everything, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Stay curious, and I'll catch you soon.